One of the common problems often experienced by someone who lives far from their hometown and the people closest to them is the feeling of homesickness. This condition is often experienced by individuals who are living away from home, especially students. Students who want to study must adapt to a new environment, a different culture, and build social networks from scratch. In the midst of this challenge,
Home offer. Although homesickness is a common phenomenon, if it is felt excessively and lasts for a long time, it can have a negative impact on mental health and daily activities. One of the most obvious impacts is the description of the lecture process. Students who experience homesickness tend to have difficulty concentrating, feel unmotivated, and are often recruited to ancient classes or complete academic assessment. If not understood immediately, this can have a serious impact on academic achievement, including a decrease in the cumulative grade point average or GPA.
In addition to having an impact on academic aspect, homesickness can also affect students' involvement in non-academic activities. Many students actively participate in student organization, social activities, committees, and research projects. Unstable emotional conditions due to homesickness can reduce enthusiasm and productivity, causing students to become less active, withdraw from social circles, and even decide to leave organization or stop participating in activities they were previously interested in. This can of course hinder the process of student self-development outside the classroom.
Not only that, student social life on campus can also be disrupted due to homesickness. Interaction with peers, lecture, and campus official become less than optimal. Students who feel isolated and do not have adequate emotional support can experience loneliness, stress, and even depression. Therefore, it is important for students who are away from home to have healthy coping mechanisms.
My solution is to organize a cultural night to celebrate Palembang traditionals. The event will include live music, traditional food, and art performance. I will collaborate with local influencers to help promote reduce the event. This activity can reduce homesickness and strengthen cultural pride among Palembang.
I think students who feel should try to stay busy with positive activities by joining campus events or community programs. They can make new friends and less lonely. They should also keep in touch with their family through phone or video calls. If they just once alone and do nothing, they will miss home even more. Therefore, they have to stay active and connected to reduce homesickness.
In my opinion, as a student from Palembang who is living far away from home, it's natural to sometimes feel homesick. To deal with this, we can try to stay connected to our cultural roots. For example, cooking traditional dishes like empek-empek with friends, listening to Palembang music, or watching cultural video can help ease the feeling of longing and remind us of the atmosphere back home.
I think students who feel homesick should really consider themselves to do therapy with professional, in this case, psychologists or therapists, whatever you want to call it. Since the majority of uni nowadays provided that kind of facility, whether it's for free or not, you should check it. Um, with therapy, I think it should help the students feel better about themselves. And yeah, I think doing therapy is one of the coping mechanism that students can use to overcome homesickness.
To overcome homesickness, we are planning to organize an event. The event will be a Palembang Cultural Festival. We are assuming the person in question is originally Palembang, although it can certainly to reception other regions as well.
The purpose of the festival is to ease the homesickness felt by people from Palembang who are currently living in Yogyakarta.
The festival itself will feature a variety of traditional Palembang foods such as pempek, traditional music, and also public figure from Palembang. The festival is scheduled to take place on June 21st, 2025 at Taman Budaya Yogyakarta.
To promote the event, we will use all media platform to distribute our invite platform in the preparing the event. We will invite various vendor who sell traditional food Palembang. We will also contact vendor the stage and set up sound system.
Come on, friends, come here and join our event. Palembang Culture Night at Yogyakarta Park. Release your feelings in here. Come on, friends, come here and join our event. Palembang Culture Night at Yogyakarta Park. Release your feelings in here. Come on, friends, come here and join our event. Palembang Culture Night at Yogyakarta Park. Release your feelings in here.